He's asking, what is the coordinate grid? Define the terms x coordinate and y coordinate and plot the points in the xy plane. Okay. I might actually use, I don't know if I can plot points with Desmos, so I'm going to see if I can. And I can show you using an actual grid rather than my sketchy drawing here. So this what's the coordinate grid? So the coordinate grid here is this guy here. I have an x here and xy plane, right? So maybe I'll draw only this out here. So I have a y and then an x plane, and this here is my coordinate grid. So I have, this is the x-axis, and this here is the y-axis. And it helps us define functions, it helps us define points and whatnot here. And we're given these specific points. We're given here, this is 1, 2, 1, -2, -1, -2, and -1 and 2 here. So let me draw this out here. And I hope I can make points here. So 1, 2 means that the first number here is the x-axis. So this is 1, and then we're going to go all the way to 2 here. So this here is a point. I cannot make this point. Can I just say 1, 2? 1, 2? There we go. Oh, we can. Okay, cool. So this here is a point on my graph, right? 1 and 2. Again, the first number refers to the x-axis, which is 1, and the second number refers to the y, which is 2, right? So this here is the point 1, 2, which means the next point, 1, -2, would be the same x-axis, so it's going to be 1 here, but I'm going to drop it all the way to 2 here. So this is 1, -2 here. 1, -2. So it should be at this point here. So we plotted 2 points. Our next point would be, let me zoom out for a sec here, is going to be -1, -2, right? So it's going to be -1. So instead of here, I'm going to go towards this left side. This here is a negative part of the x-axis, -1, and then I'm going all the way down to -2 here. So -1, -2, you're going to assume that it's going to go here. So -1, -2, and as you can denote by the green kind of dot here. And finally, -1 and 2 would be, if you're going, the first number refers to the x-axis, where I'm going backwards to this left-hand side, this -1 here. I'm going all the way up to 2 here. So I'm going to go, this here is my last point here. So -1 and +2. And as you can see, it makes kind of a little dot. It makes a little rectangle here. So this here is my solution. And as you can see, this is the correct solution as well. So solution here is correct. Good analysis.